Hi y'all.
Hi y'all.
What we're doing today is a little with Takis and guacamole in a pool.
The best of both worlds.
Yeah, because we love Takis.
We love Takis.
And I was like, we had this great idea of dipping it in avocado.
Because they make Takis that have guacamole flavor.
Right.
We were like, well, why not we just take Takis and dip it in actual guacamole?
Not gonna lie, that's really good.
That's amazing.
And we have, I found this one.
Oh yes, that is the prize Taki
It's a
right
flat
there.
Taki. And when you dip it in, it's like a tortilla, so it works.
I know. I wish they made more of those. Where is he going? He's just leaving me. Okay, now is my time to talk about hair, right? I'm just kidding. I said now is my time to talk about hair. You guys, if you're in the pool this summer with your hair, make sure that you clarify it afterwards to strip off any chlorine or salt water that gets on your hair. Another great tip is if you don't want your hair to get discolored, soak your hair, like wet it down and then condition it and then go into the pool or the ocean. So what that's gonna do is your hair is like a sponge. So as soon as your hair hits the water is not gonna be able to absorb into your hair because it's already wet. So little pro tip for you there.
The lake.
Same thing.
Music. You, are you dumb?
Lake water, pool water, ocean water,
Sand water.
sure. That's the best part right there. The Taki fingers.
Oh, God.
Taki fingers. This guacamole is legit.
That was legitness.
Yeah, it was. Huh?
And there's like no tomato in it.
No. So here's how we make our guacamole. We
very
just
simple.
put fresh avocado. Gotta have the fresh, almost like ripe, or definitely ripe, almost soft avocado.
Yeah, that's not
We
that
put
bad.
garlic powder, pepper, lots and lots of lime juice, and salt and pepper. And that's it. And then these Takis are just everything. You are the CEO of leaving me on the YouTube.
No, because you're the CEO of talking about hair. Stale bag of Takis.
We got that one stale bag. It was so disgusting. Me and Hayden were out on a bike ride, and I had my Taki bag, and he had his Taki bag. And then he was like, my Takis don't taste right. And I was like, really? Like, I've never had a bad
Complain
Taki
much?
bag. Right. Well, then I tried it, and I was like, oh, yeah, that's disgusting. He got a bad bag. Like, really bad.
Oh, God.
So,
I want Taki on my leg. How do I get Taki powder just on my leg?
I don't know.
And if you're wondering why these edits are so goofy, because yours truly is editing them.
Ooh, spell. FYI, for all my YouTubers, Hayden's taking over. We're doing these together, and Hayden's gonna be editing because he rocks at it. And I love hanging out with Hayden.
Hey, it's Hayden. Go follow.
Hey, it's Hayden.
Go follow.
It's taking over.
Go follow. Hey, it's Hayden
And
on
guess what?
TikTok and YouTube.
I'm
For
gonna
more
eat
wacky
this
videos.
guacamole that just fell.
Because 5 seconds.
Yeah, totally. Also,
Wait, can I suck?
I'm gonna throw in hair tips. It's not gonna be just about Hayden. It can't be. So, I'll be throwing in hair tips at you. just like this one. So remember, guys, if you're in the pool this summer, ocean this summer, make sure, please, please, please make sure that you soak your hair, condition it, and then get into the water. Your hair is like a sponge. Period. If you come in with like dry hair, that chlorine's gonna get sucked right up into your hair. So we don't want that. Make sure you soak it.
These ain't spicy.
And then wash it after.
These are the extreme though.
Yeah. We shall see you guys on the next one.
Wow. Oh my gosh. This is a good mukbang.
Yes. What is it called again?
ASMR mukbang. Oh, wait. I want to do ASMR. Wait.
Okay. All right.
Ew! Oh, that's so close to the camera.
Should I do one too?
We're standing on a ledge right now. Hey, y'all. FYI, follow me on TikTok.
Yes. If you guys are not following Hayden,
Follow her.
all right,
too. We don't eat this much usually.
Really don't.
We eat like...
We have a secret. We have a secret way of eating Takis, and maybe we'll tell you guys on the next video.
Yeah, because we don't want to offend anyone.
Yes. It's a very different way of eating Takis.
It's a special way. It's
Like the me and Hayden way.
So Lita and Hayden.
Mm-hmm. So, make sure you're following us. Tone Hair Salon on TikTok. Hey, it's Hayden on TikTok. And make sure you are subscribed below. You have to be subscribed so you can see more of the shenanigans.